Naomi Home presents your ideal gift guide to kids recliners. These kids recliners are fun accessories to add to your child's room, perfect for enjoying quality downtime and entertainment as well. Our Sally model resembles a luxury recliner miniaturized for your little ones. This cozy chair includes 2 cup holders for your child's favorite snacks or drinks. Its plush backrest and pushback feature allows for maximum comfort while your child enjoys chill downtime. The Sally Deluxe Kids Recliner comes in various colors such as yellow, gray, and many more. Our Suri model is an ideal gift for your little one to kick back and relax after a long day of play or school. This fun-sized recliner comes with extra padding, a cup holder, and a kickback feature that allows them to elevate their feet while watching their favorite show or movie. Enjoy the Suri Pushback Kids Recliner in your choice of microfiber or faux leather. It's also available in various colors such as blue, chocolate, pink, and many more. Easily recline both chairs by pushing weight on the backrest while sitting or by simply pulling the footrest up prior to sitting. Thanks for watching! Like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.